Welcome to Pocket Agent Live. Now that you are in the system, we will briefly introduce you to some of the features of the system. Just a few tips before we start. Help buttons can be found on most pages at the top right of each screen. Clicking the Help button will give you general tips that pertain to the page you are on. In addition, there are small green question marks that you can click on at any time to find helpful tips pertaining to the field they are associated with. Let's start searching for a venue. We will use an example of looking up all of the clubs in Ontario, Canada with a maximum capacity of 500. From the main page, click on Find a Venue. Select and fill in 500 in the max capacity. Select and fill the country as Canada. Select the province as Ontario. Finally, select the category as Club in the drop-down menu. Hit Search and your results will show up on the right column. If you now click Detailed View, you can see the information for each venue in a quick scan format. You will notice that at the bottom of the column, there are 20 pages of clubs in Ontario. You can use the Next and Previous Page buttons to navigate through the results. You can also add new venues. Click Venue in the header, then click Create a New Venue and fill out all of the fields as required. If you feel this is a unique venue as a result of a personal relationship, for example, Aunt Jenny's house for wedding, then you can click Venue as Private and only you and other registered users under your account will have access to this venue. Now let's look up a purchaser. Begin by clicking Purchaser in the header. What is a purchaser? A purchaser is any buyer of talent that is not affiliated with a venue in a contractual situation. For example, a private promoter. The purchaser search screen works the same way as the venue search we did earlier. Simply fill out the required search fields, click Search, and your results will show up on the column to the right. To add a new purchaser, simply click on Create New Purchaser and fill out the fields as required. If you feel this is a unique purchaser that you have developed a relationship with, for example, Aunt Jenny who is paying for the wedding, you can mark it Private, and only you or other registered users under your account will have access to Aunt Jenny's info. You can build up your personal database in a private manner and still have access to the most up-to-date public venues and purchasers because other users will be continually updating the database as they send out correspondence and contracts. Our community of users are the key element in ensuring the integrity of the data.